Have you heard of the planets giving the sapa and the curse? This is something people have completely forgotten. When you oppose astrology, when you talk negative about Navagrahas, when you say astrology do not exist, then there will be a curse by the Guru and the Shani. There is something called law of mouth. What you oppose, God will make you to do the same. This is Jayashree, astrologer, talking about the importance of astrology, timing and the ritual. We cannot live without the rituals and timing. That's why our rishis at the end said, time is the mother of everything. The one person who can twist the time is the real avatar. That's why in Kurukshetra war, Krishna could stop the lot of movement of sun for the 13 days. It is said that 13 days were dark. So please understand, only when you see astrology, you will know the dots and the commas and the lines of your future. People say, no, you cannot see the future. No, astrology can see the future. And your future is nothing but the good time and the bad time. So you can certainly make yourself really strong by keeping the astrological chart near you. Whoever it is, you can be a CEO of a very big company. There also you need your astrological chart to come out of all your problems. How to handle your problems, whether you should be very soft approach or whether you should fight it out. When it comes to the money problems, should you be like a women way of spending, or you should be very conservative, or you should spend or expand? So please understand, with astrology only you can do the future. There was one man who kept on talking rubbish about Navagraha, saying astrology do not exist. Lot of problems is like all man-made, mind-made, everything. But then I will tell you a real true story. A client came to us, he said he was having depression. And like every other modern guru, he just simply listened to them and he said, it's all in the mind. He accepted it's all in the mind. You have to just control your mind. Please tell me, can you control your mind? No, you can never control your mind. Mind will control you. So he took that very seriously. So he went from one class to another class, one guru to another guru. He attended all their workshop. He listened to their talks, everything. Simply his depression increased. From one tablet, he started having 3 tablets. So he came to us. We took it as a challenge. He never believed astrology or the rituals. He was brought by one of his friends, who said, just give a try. Half-handedly, he gave a try. He said, no. We said, see, your moon is very weak. So let me do the ritual. After 120 days, you can tell us. So we started doing the ritual. Within 4 days, we got a message. He said he's feeling peaceful for the start. For him, it was very amazing. Slowly, after 60-70 days, he came back us and told us he's sleeping peacefully. The depression is gone. He's feeling that joyful sensation for no obvious reason. And by the end of 120 days, he came and said, please continue the puja. I'm feeling very, very happy and peaceful. And he told us that when I went to all these so-called prominent international gurus, I was never having this happiness and peace. I could never clear this depression of mine. I was addicted to the tablets. Now, with the rituals going on, I'm thinking, should I reduce my depression tablets? So please understand, everything is not in the mind. You're always, a part of your mind will be part of your lineage karma. Another part of your mind, the family karma and your personal karma will flow. Then there will be a collective projections. And it is all put together is your mind. Then how you can control your mind? How you can say that you should have mind control? No. And how you can say? By listening, by talking, you can control the depression. Depression is way beyond the speech, way beyond your human understanding and comprehension. So it cannot be the mind controlled speech. And it is said, the more you speak, less you will have impact. You will simply speak. After some time, everybody put a shutdown. The shutter around their ears and walk out. The more you talk, the less is the impact. That's why Rishi says, don't talk, do the ritual, do lighting of the lamps. So please understand, if there is a depression, if there is a agitation, if they say that you have mental issues, then the only way to clear the energy is rituals, nothing else. And if you are going to talk rubbish about astrology, I have seen people, they get cursed. Time doesn't operate for them in the meaning, in the sense that only negative time operates. Good time never operates. That's a Saturn curse. Your law of guidance is gone for a toss. No, you will not get the guidance. So you will get caught with the wrong people. Your antakarna will be cut. That's the Guru's curse. When Navagraha gives the shapa, it will be very, very frightening to live. People have forgotten that. We are seeing only the physical abundance which is around you. No. Time and Navagrahas play real important role. So don't curse astrology. We are here to solve 90% of the problem. See us as doctor. So we can tell what is the problem. If you are going to tell us the problem, we are here to tell you the solution and the remedies. Certainly you can clear. It's not like 90% of the people fail. For us, whomever have come to us, 90% of the people have succeeded and there is no attrition. It's the repetition. Most of my clients are with me for last 10 years, 12 years. All early day clients still come back to me. We are their first recall when there is a problem. So don't curse astrology. Take astrology timing and ritual which will help you to grow. Otherwise it's going to be just running around the tree, or it is empty vessels making much noise without any substance. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and share my video. Thank you. Hi friends, of late I am talking a lot about time. Now time influences everything. In that time, Muhurta is a very important part. I'll give you two examples. Probably one example which will really tell you the importance of the Muhurta. This is Jayashree astrologer talking about the Modi's inauguration in terms of astrology and timing. Now if you take formulas, it just got amended on 17 September 2020. It was a full Amavasya day and it was done in Purvashada Nakshatra, which is the 8th house Nakshatra from Kataka when you take the Indian independence chart. So has the formulas been very peaceful? No. There has been so many bloodshed, so many violence. It is never a very peaceful process. Still, there is so much of problems which is happening in Delhi because of the formula. Now, take the same way the Uttar Pradesh Express Highway, Purvanchal Express Highway, which was inaugurated by Shri Modi ji. He inaugurated on 16th November 3:30, close to that timing, which is supposed to be on Tuesday, Rahu Gala. So, will that express highway give them the same leverage of power what they are expecting? No, it is not going to be, since their timing is wrong and the inauguration has been done in Rahu Galam. First, there is going to be lot of accidents and deaths, and the further growth in that area will be stalled. There will be lot of agitations and it's not going to get a good name for Modi or the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister government and for BJP as a whole. So if you really want to make a dent in the nation, to make people remember you, to make whatever reforms or whatever laws you come, to make it really successful, connect it with time. Sriharikota did it. When the rockets were launched, it was done at the right time. So the failure was very, very less. And please understand, with the timing only you can grow. With the rituals only we can grow. That's why rishis kept Raukala, Yamakanta, knowing that there will be a dip in the vortex of life. It is not without understanding that they have kept. It is without any understanding we have killed everything. So please remember, adhering to the timing will help you to grow fast. You need not suffer. Just simply align with the good Muhurta. Your life will grow big. So if you like the video, subscribe to my channel and also share my video. Thank you.